Hello friends, welcome to Talent Hub Training Institute's official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about Anaconda. What is Anaconda, why it is used, and how to install it? So let's get started. Anaconda is a distribution of the Python and R programming languages for scientific computing that aims to simplify package management and deployment. It includes all the programming language-based studios like PyCharm, Spider, Jupyter, RStudio and many more. Anaconda software helps you create an environment for many different versions of Python and package versions. Anaconda is also used to install, remove, and upgrade packages in your project environments. Now we will learn how to install it. Open the Chrome browser and type Anaconda download. Then click on the free download link. Then click the download button. Then click on the downloaded file and click on Run to start the installation process. Then click Next. Click I agree to the license agreement. Then select the Just Me option and click Next. Click Next again. Then click Install. Then click Next again. Then uncheck the boxes and click Finish. Then select the Anaconda Navigator. Then you can install all the necessary items that are required. Thank you for watching this video.